Hey everyone, thanks for joining me, and I have something brand new today. I was sent this mom gift box. Now, I have never heard of this before. I actually got an email from the brand and they asked me to review it, so I said, sure, send it along. So they did send this to me. I did not get any other compensation. I'm not sponsored for this, but the box was sent to me at no charge. But like I said, I wasn't paid for this, and all of my opinions are going to be completely honest. So I had to do a little bit of research. So you can find this at momgiftbox.com, and this is kind of geared towards moms, I guess. Now, the thing that makes this one extremely special is this was curated by Jennie Garth. I don't know if you guys know who Jennie Garth is, but she was the star of one of my favorite shows growing up, Beverly Hills 90210.
I developed this extremely acute sense of smell after I got my nose corrected.
Love that show. Love Jennie Garth. Kelly is she was definitely one of my favorite characters on that show. So I'm pretty excited to open this up. So this box you can get for $99.95. It's $100. I know it's expensive. But the contents are supposed to be worth at least $200. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see what is inside. I don't know if that $100, $99.95 price is ongoing, or if it is, open up right here, or if it is a special limited thing. But we'll find out. So it's pretty hefty. I don't know how much it weighs, but it is heavy. And then we open it up. Oh, okay. It's packaged really lovely. It says this is hand selected by Jennie Garth. Share treasure and love by Mom Gift Box. So that's nice. It's a cute little sticker. It is really pretty paper that we are going to rip open. Inside we have some stuff. There we go. We've got Jennie on the front here. And it's got some information on what is in it. This is the special limited edition Mom Gift Box developed in partnership with thegiftbox.com. I put a lot of effort into hand selecting these treasures, and I hope you love them as much as I do. So thank you very much, Jennie. I appreciate that. If you're watching, Jennie Garth, thank you. I'm excited to dig into this box. So let's start off with the first item, and I'll go ahead and put the retail prices on the screen somewhere so you'll be able to get an idea of how much everything is. First item we have is this. This is called the Dew Puff Original. It's made from a root of the konjac, a plant native to Asia. And so it is a sponge for bath or shower. Before each use, soak the Dew Puff until soft, then squeeze out the excess water. Do not wring. It is definitely very hard in there, so I'm sure it softens up when you use it. So that is cool. I've never heard of this brand before. It says that it's gentle enough for baby skin too, so very nice. And you can use it alone or with your favorite cleanser. Next we have, what is this? It is a lovely box. Bergamot. Is that how you say that? I've never known how to say that. Musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwood, citrus, and heliotrope. And I'm assuming this is a candle. Oh, it is. Oh, it's a copper candle. That's pretty. Oh, and it does smell very lovely. It is a single wick candle, and this is made by Anderson Lily. It says on the bottom. And I really do like the copper. It goes with my pots and pans that are hanging on the wall. So that is very pretty. So next we have, jewelry. And this is a brand that I have heard of. This is Dune Jewelry. I got a necklace last year. I think it was a necklace. It was. And it had sand from Tahoe, where my husband and I got married. So it had sand from the beach in there. It's actually a really cool kind of concept. They take sand from different parts of the country and they make jewelry out of it. And this is, this is awesome, actually. This is a bracelet, and it's in the little shape of a heart. And this is beach sand from the coast of California and 90210 Beach House. Yes, that is awesome. Let me just bring this a little bit closer. So there you see that there is, that dark part right there is the sand from the beach of the 90210 Beach House. That is very, very, very clever. I think that is very pretty. It's pretty cool because, like I said, 90210 was one of my favorite shows growing up. Let's see if I can put this on myself. I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, I can't clasp this myself. But there it is. It's very pretty and very dainty. I like it. That is super, super pretty. And I know Dune jewelry, the necklace that I got, I think it was around $100, $150, something like that. So it's a pretty decent price. All right, we have 2 more items in here. We have this here, which looks like it's some sort of bag. It's all zipped up. Let's unzip it and find out what this is all about. Oh, it is. It's a pretty decent sized bag there. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
And it looks like it's kind of like an overnight duffel bag. Inside, it looks like it is lined, which is very nice. I'm going to have to read up on this because I don't know who made this or what it is all about. Okay, this is the RuMe Seafold Bag. Colorado-based company RuMe, short for Reuse Me, designs products for the environmentally conscious who don't want to sacrifice style and functionality for sustainability. Okay, so this must be made out of recycled materials. Yeah, there's the label right there. And it's a pretty decent size. I mean, it's actually not bad for like a big overnight bag. I do like that it folds up pretty tight so I can put it into like another bag or a suitcase or something for when I'm going somewhere and I want to buy something and I need an extra bag to bring it home. All right, so the last thing we have in here is this. And I don't know what this is. It is in bubble wrap. Oh, it's masks. Okay, cool. So this is Rasool Argyle Clay Mask. Huh, that's an interesting packaging for this. And then here is a floral mask as well. And these look like they are clay masks, pink clay and regular clay. Pearl, acne skin. Oh, for acne skin and for all skin types. Now, first thing I can say is I absolutely love pink masks. They make my skin just really glow. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then here's another one, and this one is for, like I said, for acne prone skin. So that might be a good one for when I have a breakout or whatever. This is by, I can't pronounce the name. It says ELUCX, ELUCX is how you spell it. I don't know how to pronounce it. And it's a woman-owned humanitarian organization with a mission to support homeless with training and equipment, giving society's most vulnerable a second chance. They only use sustainable, organic, and chemical-free ingredients, recyclable and reusable packaging, and never test on animals. It doesn't say how many uses are in each one, but I can imagine there are several because this is like a powder form. And so I would imagine you'd be able to use, oh, that smells nice. Actually makes me kind of hungry. Oh, hey, Circe. She's always around. Oh, you can use it for hair as well. That's interesting. So this one you can use for your hair or your skin, and this one you can use for your skin. Huh, that is very interesting. I'm going to read up a little bit more on these because I only read a couple of them. So starting off, we talked about the RuMe Seafold Bag, the sponge here by Dupuff. This is an eco-conscious family-run business with a mission to create beautiful skin using only sustainable products. I'm sensing like a theme here of sustainability and like smaller businesses, which is absolutely wonderful because I really like promoting smaller businesses no matter what area of business they are, whether it's beauty, whether it's home, jewelry, whatever. So it's actually kind of nice that we're seeing a hello. It's kind of nice that we're seeing a subscription box that is really featuring these brands here. So this one here, Anderson Lily Candle. It's a woman co-owned, eco-conscious, made in America company with a philanthropic mission to change the world by donating a full 10% of their net profits annually to charity. So I'm going to leave all of the total prices on the screen. I'll flash the grand total right here of how much it's worth. And again, this is $99.95. Let me know in the comments, do you think it's worth it? What do you think of the products? Have you ever heard of these products? Have you ever tried them before? I am very, very excited to try them. The only one that I have really heard of is the Dune jewelry. Like I said, I have a necklace from them, and it is absolutely beautiful. And it's very thoughtfully made, which is really nice. You better not knock that down. Did she just give me a dirty look? So that's it. Thanks so much for joining me, and more information about the mom gift box will be down below. I know the giftbox.com does pet gift boxes as well. Play your cards right, I'll get you one. Yeah. Thanks so much for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know every single time I upload, and I will see you again soon. Bye.